Have you ever experienced your iOS app crashing unexpectedly, especially in release mode? It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? If you're facing the error, undefined is not an object, evaluating e.propTypes.children, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how concerning it is when your app works perfectly in development but crashes in release mode. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers encounter similar issues, and it can be quite perplexing. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reached out saying their app crashes only in release mode. They enabled the debug executable in the schema settings and encountered the error without any stack trace. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to resolve this. So, what could be causing this error? The message "undefined is not an object" typically indicates that your code is trying to access a property of an object that doesn't exist. This can happen due to various reasons, such as missing prop types or incorrect component usage. And stay tuned. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the user's issue, we will first check the component that is causing the error. The error message indicates that there is an attempt to access e.propTypes.children, which suggests that a component is not being rendered correctly. Next, the user should verify that all required props are being passed to the component. Sometimes, missing props can lead to this type of error, especially in release mode where optimizations may hide issues. After that, the user should check for any conditional rendering in the component. If the component relies on certain conditions to render, ensure those conditions are met in release mode. Finally, the user can enable additional logging to help diagnose the issue further. This can be done by modifying the app's configuration to include more detailed error messages. Did you know? The first iOS app ever created was a simple calculator. We've come a long way since then, but app crashes still remind us of those early days. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user identified the issue as being caused by a third-party component. They realized that they were passing null values, which led to the crash. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests checking the differences between your debug and release schemas. Specifically, they recommend looking at the optimization level in your build settings. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your props and use TypeScript or prop types to catch potential issues early in your development process. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issue in your iOS app. Remember, thorough testing and validation are key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing your app's performance.